Hi guys, Joel with Sales Tools Review, and in this video I want to show you how you can make $100 to $200 per day regardless if you're a beginner, if you're broke, you got no money in your wallet, you can do it. All you need is an internet connection. Now that you know, let's get started. So at this point you're probably saying, Joel, what the hell are you talking about? I got no money, I'm broke, I have an internet connection, but what do I do and how do I do it? Well, what I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are allowed, when you essentially become a partner with someone who has either created a product or an info product, any type of product that is being shared to the market. You're going to simply promote that product and get yourself a commission. And you don't need any money up front. You don't need to carry in any inventory. You don't need to do any support for the product, unless of course you want to, which would be nice. You don't need to do any of those things. You just need to have the desire and the know-how where to find these products and where and how to promote them. You can do it. You can simply make $100 to $200 per day, if not more. There's a bunch of guys out there actually making $1,000, $2,000, even more a day. So it is certainly possible. I do it. I know you can do it. So let's get through it. Okay guys, let's get this right out the way. This is a real strategy on how to go about making money. It's not a scam. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to put the effort in. Affiliate marketing is a great tool to make money. I am specifically talking about launch jacking. Launch jacking with affiliate marketing, and the way it works is a lot of these products that are being made, or services or info products that are getting put out in the market, are if you make yourself an affiliate with those creators or whatnot of those particular products, you can make yourself a commission. So these products will get launched. You'll have a lot of the bigger guys who will hit up their email list, and the people who receive the emails, they'll read through it, they'll hear about the product being launched, but want more information. And this is where you come in the process of launch jacking. In launch jacking, you want to take advantage of all that traffic that's a little bit more curious about that product release. And generally what most people do, what you probably do, what I probably do, is not only read up on the product, but we want to see the product, right? We want to hear a little bit more. And one of the resources that people go to, other than Google, of course, is YouTube, the second highest search ranking system out there, right? So they'll go to YouTube, they're going to look for a video, look for information, and this is where you come in the launch jacking. You make the video of the product, you put it up, you make a good detailed video of the product, and people will click on your link if they like what you have said and they like the product. You put that link in the description, they click it, purchase the product, and you make a commission. And again, you don't need to service the product in any shape or form unless you want to. You don't need to create the product unless you wanted to, right? You don't need to buy the product. You just need to be informed of the product and pass on that information to the product and give an honest review. See if it's something they can use, something they like, because if they don't believe you, or if they think you're just kind of trying to be shisty and just trying to make the commission, it's not going to help. It's got to be a win-win situation. So in launch jacking, you can do this. You can, and I'll show you the sites to go and find out where the products are being released and how you can go about becoming one of the affiliate partners, some of these releases, and hopefully cash in on them. All right, so we'll go to the laptop and we'll take a look so you can get more of an idea what actually launch jacking, where to get these products and do your launch jacking. All right. Okay guys, so here we are in front of the laptop, and one of the first sites I want to show you that you can go to and look for some of these launches where you can become an affiliate and promote these products and ultimately receive a commission is Muncheye. That's right, muncheye.com. I know it's sort of a weird name for a site, but nonetheless, it's Muncheye. So Muncheye is one of those great sites that you want to go and check out every day, if not every other day or every week at least, and start looking at some of these launches and start inquiring about some of these products and some of these commissions. So you can see on the left-hand side, they'd have it labeled big launches, and then you have all the launches. The big launches, not all of them, but they tend to be from some of those bigger vendors who already have a track history on creating some of these products. So you're going to definitely want to take a look at them and see if number one, what I would do is I'd find a good product that you know that your base, your folks, your audience are going to be interested in. And there are products in all type of niches, so it doesn't have to be just information products. There's products in, it doesn't have to be just in the e-com space. There's products for weight loss. There's all sorts of ebooks that you can go through. So you would simply just to give you an idea, this one here, we'll open this in a new tab. This one here, once it comes up, right, it tells you what the product is, right? Right over here in the left-hand side, you'll see it'll tell you a little bit about the product. It's going to have what they call their JV page, which is essentially their sales page, and giving you more information on that particular product. And again, you can do that in all these products that you see here on the left-hand side until you find a product from a vendor, from a creator that is, number one, a good product, number two, that has a track history on creating good products and sales, and people are promoting their product and getting some sort of commission. So let's go right back to this tab here. We'll click here so you can get an idea, and when you click here, it'll give you an idea what the product is, what it does, when it's launching, and how to get your... Whoa, what happened there? Hey, okay, let's see what happened there. So here you see, like, this particular one, Covert Social Press, coming out soon. You'll see a lot of people making videos, this particular one. So here you'll see it tells you how much commission they've paid out in the past for previous products. They'll tell you a little bit more about this particular product. They'll tell you how to, up here you'll see the demo, you'll see the sales funnel. You'll see the swipes and tools, which are basically a lot of the emails, sequences that you can use if you happen to have an email list already that you yourself can blast out to your particular email list. And of course the sales page and how you can go about getting the affiliate link. So when you click on the affiliate link, or you're asking for access to the affiliate link, you're generally going to use, which we'll talk about a little bit later, like JVZoo or Warrior Plus. That'll come up, and that's where you're going to make your request to become a partner, and essentially allow you to start promoting this particular product. And there you can get an idea of what of what type of commission you're going to be making. So that's that particular product. Again, there's just a load of products that you can look at Munch Eye and look at releases and release dates and start making some review videos and start building a following and hopefully start making a commission on day 1 or 2. Or even if it takes a little bit of time, you're going to make some money. You just need to take the time to do so. So in JVZoo, you see here more products that you can pick up and take a look at. It maybe something of interest that you want to promote. So go visit JVZoo. You have this one's a step-by-step system to burn fat and build muscle. So this is a product that you can either promote via Launchjacking or your website if you happen to have one. But again, if you have no money and you're broke and you don't have a website currently that you're promoting or pushing or whatnot, you can do it via Launchjacking. Let's look at ClickBank. ClickBank is another one. ClickBank.com. You can come to their marketplace and find a load of products that you want to go through and see if it's a product that you would like to promote and hopefully get a commission for. So again, you have ClickBank, you have Munch Eye, you have JVZoo, you have WarriorPlus.com. You want to look at these websites, go through the products, get an idea if it's something of interest. It's a lot easier if it's a product you kind of like, right? You feel better about promoting it. I find that it's a lot easier if it's a product that I like as opposed to a product that I'm just kind of simply just trying to push because it's got a good commission. I can't emphasize enough that you're going to want to be honest in your review. You're going to want to, sometimes it's just better off saying, you know what, this is just not the product for you, because people will follow you for the next one. Don't be afraid to say, hey, this product sucks. Hey, I know you might be saying, why are you doing a review if the product sucks? But if you're being honest, people are going to start following you and be there for the next review. Or there might be a similar type of product that you can say, hey, this product sucks, but this one's that much better. And you can leave your affiliate link for that one. So that's Launchjacking. And you don't have to go through these sites here. Like, they're one of the best resources. You can certainly just Google affiliate programs, affiliate products, affiliate sites that you can join. But ClickBank, JVZoo, Munch Eye, Warrior Plus tend to be the ones that most people go to. But of course, look, you can do affiliate marketing for things such as Shopify products. You can do Amazon affiliate products. Look at this. So this one here, we'll look right at YouTube. This is Bluehost. So you see all these people doing these YouTube videos, these reviews, these Bluehost reviews or whatnot. They're all affiliate partners for Bluehost. Yes, they're doing reviews, but they're not doing it just to give you the information. They're doing it for a reason, because they get an affiliate commission on them. Like right here in the description, he leaves his link, he or she, I'm assuming it's a he, that you click your link, and if you happen to run through the link in the description, he's gonna get a commission for it. The same thing with the other guys. Look through these. All the stuff that you see when you see these people doing these reviews, you see these people doing reviews for I don't know, like cameras or whatnot, and leaving a link. That link is a commission. That link is an affiliate link that they're hoping when you click like the product and purchase it and go through, they're gonna make a commission. So that is affiliate marketing. It's not a scam. It's a great way to get started. Launchjacking is a great way to go. This is a bit of information that if you've got no money, get some information, do a Google search, read up on it, but I just wanted to give you the general information on how it works. You don't need any money up front. You just need an internet connection and desire to get it done, and you can make $100 to $200 per day. Again, with Launchjacking and with affiliate marketing. I do it. You can do it as well. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with some more great information. And I really hope this helped you out. Thumbs up. Get rocking.